how to use your mind for the purpose for which it was designed. It was designed to give you happiness, overcome your loneliness, and make you realize that you are not alone, that you are part of a whole, much bigger than yourself. That's enlightenment. Enlightenment is that the soul is not solitary. It is going through a solitary experience in combination with the mind, senses and body. But the soul has always been attached to the whole. It has never been separated from the whole. This knowledge that the soul is not separated from the whole and has always been part of it, this awareness and realization is called self-realization and has been also called God realization. There is no difference between the two. You ultimately find the truth, what the soul is, what its origin is, and who you really are. And when you know who you really are, then you can use all this equipment very well, which you have been given as the luckiest people in creation.